Hi everyone, today I want to introduce you an app called Wonderbit to use, and in this app we can control this big robot. Now we just need to click this logo and we can see the Bluetooth icon in this interface. We just need to click this Bluetooth icons and turn on this robot. And now we can see now we collect your facilities successfully. And in this app, we can control this robot's movement. For example, now I want to let the robot go forward and go backward and turn around. And we also can change the light of the robot. For example, I put these buttons, and you can see the light of the robot will change. And we also can use gravity to control this robot. And we also have a very cool modules, and in this module we can let this robot do some specific actions. For example, we can let this robot push ups. And we also can add the other actions in this app. You just need to program this on your computer and set the documents to your cell phones. And now I introduce another robot to use, and this robot called Creat. And now we just need to collect these Bluetooth icons and turn on these robot buttons. And you can see your device and select your device in these menus. And I connect to the device successfully. Now in this interface, I can control this robot, go forwards and go backwards, and even can turn around. And I also can change the light of these robots. For example, I put these buttons, and you can see the light of the robots will change. And I also can control this robot by gravities. And in these modules, I can control the robot's arm. Now you can see the robot's arm as opens and close. And I also can let this robot's arm go up and down. Now I introduce another robot called the Microbox, and in this interface, we can see the Bluetooth icons on the left corner. You just need to collect these icons, and then we just need to turn on this button. This button is on the button of the robots. And now I collect this robot successfully. And in this interview, we can see the mini bubbles, and we can use the mini bubble to control these robot actions. And now I let this robot go forwards and go backwards and turn around. And we also can change the robot colors by turning on these buttons. And now you can see the light of the robot has changed. And we also can use gravity to control these robots. And in these modules, we can use the mini bubble to change the light of the robots, and you can choose your favorite color. Now, I'd like to introduce you another robot called Cubics. And before we start to connect this robot, we need to select this robot in these menus. And this is Cubics. And we select Cubics in these menus. And now we need to turn on these buttons. And this button is over there. And let the cubic keep balance. And we connect the cubic by the Bluetooth. And we choose your devices in these menus, and now we connect to the robot successfully. And in this interface, we can see these mini bubbles, and we can use this mini bubble to control this robot go forwards and go backwards and turn around. And we even can change the light of these small robots. For example, put these buttons, and you can see the light of these robots have changed. And we also can use gravity to control these robots. And now you can see these robots. And we also can change the color by these mini bubbles, and you can choose your favorite colors in this color zone. Now, I introduce another robot called Hiwonder, and before we start to connect to this robot, we need to select this robot in these menus, and you can see the Hiwonder is in these menus. And before we start to connect this robot, we need to turn on this button. And you can see we can see a Bluetooth icons over there, and you can collect your devices by this Bluetooth. And now we connect to this robot successfully, and we can let this finger stretch by putting these 5 buttons. For example, I put this button, and you can see the finger has stretched. And let this finger close. And now we can rotate this robotic arm by dragging this slide. And now you can see the robotic arm has rotated. And we also, in these modules, we can also let this robot do some specific action. For example, we can let the 5 fingers drag together and close together. And we also can let 1 or 3 or 4 fingers drag together. For example, I put these buttons. Hi, today I want to introduce you another robot called gogo. And before we start to connect to this robot, we need to select this robot in these menus. And you can see the gogo is in these menus, and we collect this gogo. And before we start to connect to this robot, we need to turn on these buttons. And you can see devices have shows in the menus, and you clap this device, and now I connect to this robot successfully. And now I can move this mini bubble to let this robot go forwards and go backwards and turn around. And we also can change the light of this robot. For example, we can use this mini bubble to change the light of these robots, and you can choose your favorite color in these color zones. And we also can use the gravity to control these robots, as I can show.